Have you ever wondered what a lawyer does? Well, you may want to know just in case you ever get into some legal trouble. And if you're wondering why I'm qualified to talk about this, my mother studied law for many years, and I wish to go down that same road as she goes into law school. Now, I'm going to talk about the duties and obligations of a lawyer. I'm going to talk about the benefits and the challenges that come with fulfilling that role. And first, I'm going to talk to you specifically about what they do. And knowing this will help you understand why a lawyer may make the decisions that they make. Now, according to LegalClarity.org, there are many kinds of lawyers. They range from criminal to family to corporate, some work purely in an advisory role, and others pursue legal action on behalf of their employers. Most importantly, they are experts on how to ethically utilize the law. Since the law is interpreted, it is a lawyer's job to present a perspective and argue their case for it. Which brings me to my next point. What benefits does a lawyer get for doing his job? This is something you will want to know if you ever need to hire an attorney. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, lawyers make an average of $72 an hour. This is a lot of money. A lot of money. Which can be a deterrent to people who need to hire someone to help them take legal action. Of course, if it is a criminal matter, our system allows a lawyer to be appointed for the defendants if they cannot afford one. This does not always mean that they get a good one, which is why many people say that the judicial system is run by money. And it really is. The wealthier you are, the better the lawyer you can hire. This means that there are corrupt lawyers who will intentionally drag out cases to get paid more. Not every lawyer does this, but many do. Now, in theory, a good lawyer would take enough time to be thorough, but not enough to hurt your wallet. A lot of lawyers aren't very good. Now, these critiques bring me to my final point. There are many challenges to being a lawyer. Now, knowing what issues a lawyer faces can help you understand why they can be so aggressive when it comes to their pay. According to LegalClarity.org, malpractice insurance can cost between $2,500 and $6,500. Now, this is, let's see it again, a lot of money. And this type of insurance must be continually renewed and invested in. Not only that, but lawyers are frequently sued for massive amounts, leading them to get very aggressive or very conservative when it comes to how they approach their cases. Not only that, but they also need to repay their student loans. According to educationdata.org, the average law student's student loan debt totals $137,500. One reason they charge the amount they do hourly or even by case is to repay these loans, which allows them to advance in their profession. And in conclusion, all these factors overlap, resulting in a clear understanding of a lawyer's career. Now, in conclusion, lawyers offer legal advice. In return, they receive what they believe to be fair compensation. This money allows them to pay off their loans and advance in their professional journey with the hopes of moving up in the firm. Now, to understand why a person acts the way they do, we must look at everything from that person's perspective. Through my research, I found out why lawyers do what they do, and now you know too.